When applying for graduate school, one of the most significant decisions students face is whether to aim for top universities or professors. In this video, we'll help you weigh the pros and cons of each approach and also show the impact it can have on your job opportunities. One of the most significant advantages of choosing a top professor is the opportunity to work closely with a leading expert in your field. In addition, these professors often have access to cutting-edge resources and opportunities for research, which can be invaluable for your career development. Another advantage of choosing a top professor is the potential for personalized mentorship. These professors are often highly invested in their students' success and can provide invaluable guidance and support. On the other hand, choosing a top university can offer a broader range of resources and opportunities. These universities often have more funding and facilities, which can provide access to state-of-the-art equipment and technology. In addition, top universities often have a diverse and accomplished student body, which can provide valuable networking opportunities and the chance to learn from your peers.
In addition to the academic and research opportunities, choosing a top university or top professor can significantly impact your job prospects after graduation. Graduating from a top university can open doors to many employment opportunities, as employers often view these degrees as a sign of high-quality education and training. Similarly, having a top professor as your mentor can lead to valuable connections and recommendations in your field. In addition, these professors often have strong industry connections and can provide valuable networking opportunities.
So, while considering top universities or top professors as your goal, also focus on developing a solid skill set and gaining real-world experience to make yourself a strong candidate for your dream job. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision when applying to graduate school and is also aware of the impact it can have on your job opportunities. Good luck!